Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has urged the government to come clean and tell India exactly what is happening amid rising tension with China following a military face-off in Ladakh earlier this month. Rahul Gandhi said continuing silence on this issue is leading to massive speculation and uncertainty. Rahul Gandhi also said that as India also fights a coronavirus pandemic that has infected over 1.6 lakh people in the country, people need to be taken into confidence. The Congress earlier described the situation in Ladakh and tension with China as a matter of serious national concern. Congress has also called on the government to take the nation into confidence and address the concerns of the people. The government's silence over the border situation with China is fueling massive speculation and uncertainty at a time of crisis. Government of India must come clean and tell India exactly what's happening, Rahul Gandhi tweeted on Friday. Rahul Gandhi made similar requests on Tuesday, reminding the government that transparency was needed at this critical juncture. The government should make it clear to the people of India what exactly is happening on the border. We are hearing different stories, so I don't want to go into conjecture, but it is important that the government of India makes it clear what is happening on the border, so that people can understand and have a proper position, he said.
नेपाल में क्या हुआ, किस प्रकार हुआ, क्यों हुआ, लद्दाख में क्या हो रहा है, किस प्रकार हो रहा है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए, क्लियरली उनको सरकार को बताना चाहिए. वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं दिख रही है मुझे.
Tension between India and China has grown since a skirmish between soldiers of the two nations at the Pangong Lake region in Ladakh on May 5th and 6th, in which several Indian troops were injured. Since then, there have been multiple reports of incursions by Chinese troops who have also been spotted in motorboats on Pangong Lake. Chinese helicopters have also been seen in the area. Satellite images have shown construction at a high-altitude Chinese airbase located just 200 km from Pangong Lake. One showed 4 jets parked, either J-11 or J-16 fighters of the Chinese Air Force. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat have all met and briefed Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this issue. Rahul Gandhi has been questioning the government to inform the nation about the situation and what government is planning to handle it.